morning, day 3. We are in Cozumel. We just arrived. We just docked. And I got on my bathing suit. Ready for some fun. We are doing an excursion today. So we're going to get on a speedboat and head to a private island and have some fun. But I want y'all to see Cozumel. Woohoo! Look at that. Beautiful, nothing but water and land. Couple buildings. Looks cute. 3 amigos. Yep. We are in Cozumel officially. Margaritaville. We have officially docked. There's another ship, Brilliance of the Seas. They've docked as well. We are here. There's the dock. There's our boats. We are right on the dock. Those are people waiting to help us get off the boat. But yep, we are here officially in Cozumel. Ready to have some fun. Hey, birthday is tomorrow. Happy 40th to my man. Happy 40th to my man. Early 40th to my man. His birthday is tomorrow, guys.
Hey, how's it going, guys?
Deck 7.
I'm Vay.
This is Vay.
And we're back again, day 3, Cozumel cruise.
Day 3. Woo-hoo-hoo. Day 3.
Yeah,
we
today.
are in Cozumel.
Oh yeah, definitely.
So we're about to go down to deck 0 to get off the ship in Cozumel so we can head to our excursion.
Upper deck.
Yes. Private island.
Where you going?
This is 6.
Alright guys, we're here at Cozumel. Just getting off the boat. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Yes.
Boat.
Let me show one picture of the
Big ass boat.
Man, check out the water. You want a picture?
We can if you want to.
Yeah.
I was just recording.
One on the way back there. Do we know where to go?
Nope. But I know it's over the bridge.
Okay. Man, look at the water.
Y'all, it is pretty. Oh my god. Let me put on my sunglasses. Let me get past the phone of Vay while I put on my sunglasses. Here, Vay.
Oh yeah. There we go. All right, there we go. Check it out, guys. Getting off the boat. We're here. Man, about to get ready for this excursion. I see Margaritaville over there. 3 amigos.
It's recording you though, so I hope you know.
Yeah. Come on, babe.
Turn around, turn it around. Like flip the camera.
Oh yeah.
So they can see it, turn around and look, get
Yeah. Oh wow, it's a big boat. Carnival Valor.
This would be one of the smaller boats. It looks big.
It looks gigantic compared to these. Got Royal Caribbean in the cut over there. Beautiful day in the neighborhood.
Wait till we get on this speedboat. Woo!
Oh yeah, that.
I got on my bathing suit. Y'all see me? I'm cute.
What's this, day 3?
This is day 3.
Yeah, definitely day 3.
Day 1, we were embarking, meaning we were getting on the boat. Day 2, it was a fun day at sea. Now day 3, we're in Cozumel.
Oh yeah. And tomorrow we're going to be in Progreso, Yucatan, so stay tuned for that, definitely. Oh yeah. Let's see where we're going. Check out the water. Check out the view right now. It's insane.
We are in Cozumel, Puerto Maya.
Is that him?
Y'all see that? Da 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 da. What the mind? Yeah. That's the pier, I think. Oh, look, a model Mardi Gras ship for Carnival. That's cute.
Let me see the ticket. So pretty. Alright guys, we're here at Shops at Cozumel. Just checking out the scenery. Oh my god, they have so much to do, so much to see.
Man, y'all just don't know. We walk in because we have about 20 minutes before our excursion starts. And it is so pretty here, but it is extremely smug and hot.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Real muggy.
But it's nice. Look how pretty. They actually have huts that have hay as the roof. That's movies, right? You see that stuff in the movies, but you don't really put it together, you know. But we are here having a good time. We're just walking right now, just walking around, checking out things before we head to our private island. Vay-N-Bay. They go with my man. My man is about to be 40 tomorrow. I can't stop saying it. He old. He getting old.
Turtles in the half shell. Turtle power.
The scenery is so beautiful.
Where? This one? Oh my god, yeah. It's a lizard. Mine just out here chilling.
Oh my god, look how many turtles. There's 3 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Turtle.
Snapping turtle. They're pretty.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Turtles in the half shell.
Turtle power. Wow, look how pretty, y'all. Look how gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Just so pretty. The scenery itself is just gorgeous. The scenery is just amazing, y'all. Look at the turtles. The scenery is so beautiful.
Ooh, hola, señorita. Mamacita. Baby, check it out, Cozumel. We're here. Check out the scenery, it's so beautiful, Oh my, so beautiful. We're going on a fucking speedboat.
I told you that.
Damn, we should take some motion sickness pills.
Really should have.
I thought we were going on one of them. Oh, wow. It is.
We finna get on the boat. The busy boat.
You ready, babe?
We on the speedboat, headed to Passion Alley.
Yeah, I'm messing with the driver. Wait for me, sir. Okay.
You ready for this adventure?
Yeah, I guess.
Crap, here we go.
He's scared, y'all. He's scared.
Oh, yeah.
Ah!
He's definitely got his sea legs.
He's scared.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
My man.
We're going to the island, man.
Can everybody say tequila?
Tequila!
All right, be careful, sir.
Be careful.
He done did that before.
Plenty of times. We are leaving the dock.
Man, this is cool.
Oh my God.
Excuse me, my friends. Excuse me. Thank you. Okay.
This is actually not as bad as I thought.
Oh, I see walking up there. Get in here and sit down, sir.
He's tired. And good morning, everybody, my friends. Good morning. Welcome to the paradise. Welcome to the Cozumel Island. Welcome on the jet boat, Marcel. Okay, I introduce myself. My name is Arnold, the Mexican Schwarzenegger. Okay? And my captain is Carlos.
Carlos.
And my nickname is the sexy boy, okay? And rules on the boat, don't jump out of the boat, okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Perfect, let's go.
Okay. All right, let's go. Vámonos. Vámonos.
Vámonos. Hey, where he gonna sit at?
Right there.
He can't finna sit right there. Ain't no way.
How much you want to bet?
No way.
Okay.
Okay, I knew not.
Sit down. You were making
Uh-oh.
Here we go.
And here we go.
Oh my God. This is cool.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
I got you, babe.
This thing is fast. Oh, geez.
on in.
Like I'm on a roller coaster.
Oh, snap. Wait, they're in the ocean now.
That's the waves.
Yeah.
How we can do
I know.
that. We gotta bring this boy back too.
Man.
On our way to the island. He holding on for dear life, y'all.
Look at that boat. Look at the waves. Look at the ocean. Don't drop the phone.
Hotel better.
Like it's been a mermaid. Look at this guy.
Yeah, it's dark. You can say we made it! Mind on your seats. Okay, everybody stay in your seats. The life jackets in a few more minutes, in a couple more minutes, you can take them off and you can leave them on your seats. Over there, the guys on red, that guy actually, his name is Mario. He's gonna be the paparazzi. He's just gonna take you a welcome picture right now. And then after the welcome picture, you guys come back. We're gonna have your personal belongings ready. Okay. Alright, good job, Captain!
So now we jump out and swim from here, right? Yep.
5 minutes and they will be the fashion island, okay? Very important. Don't swim in the lagoons because there are sharks and alligators, okay? All activities.
Yeah, we're not swimming in the lagoon.
The island. And then the paparazzi will take my pictures, okay? Remember, the goalkeepers go to the heaven, okay? Bravo!
Bravo!
No, nobody else can work.
We are at Passion Island.
That was fucking
The arrival to Passion Island. Man. We are here, Passion Island. Woohoo!
All right, guys, we're here at Passion Island. Check it out, Passion Island. It's a private island off the coast of Cozumel. Man, we took a speedboat here, and let me tell you, it was insane. It was insane. The waves were rocky. Salt water got in my mouth. I thought I was gonna drown. Oh man, then it started raining. Oh, that's a whole nother. Man, let me tell you, it was horrible. But we're here. Look at my little mermaid. We here. We finally made it. Passion Island. We're here.
Y'all, that speedboat ride.
Oh my God. Nothing short of amazing.
It was so much fun.
Oh,
we got rained on. We got splashed by waves. We got bumps. But it was fun, and we made it to Passion Island for our excursion. Private island is only about 15 of us here.
Yes.
And we get unlimited food, unlimited drinks.
Yes.
Alcoholic drinks, regular drinks, anything. We get to go kayaking, skiing, snow, everything. I mean, what can't we do?
Right.
I mean, it is so much fun. But look how pretty.
Yes.
Look
at the
how
water.
pretty.
Look at the sand.
They
white
want us
sand.
to wait until all of us go down to, so they can brief us on what we're doing. But look how pretty. Look how pretty. Palm trees, blue water. That water over there is not blue, but blue water. I mean, it's amazing. It's amazing. They leaving me. They. Are you leaving me?
Guys,
Yep, so we made it. We are here.
The second group. They're coming.
More people coming, the rest of our crew. It was so much fun on that boat. I just cannot get over how much fun it was on the boat. They told us not to swim in the lagoon side because there are sharks. So
He said sharks and alligators.
yeah, so we can't swim over there, but we can swim in this blue pretty water over here where we're walking to. Really pretty, really pretty. Anyway, we'll be back soon. Oh, Blue Passion. We on Passion Island, so we had to try the Blue Passion drink.
And it is strong.
And it is strong, and guess what? Drinks are free. All we can drink, all we can eat is a Mexican buffet. So yeah,
And let me tell you, they have these raccoons that will come right up to you and ask for food.
Dude, he got on his back legs. It was like begging, bro.
He like, hey, let me get that.
Man, I jumped up like, oh no, we ain't doing that. I don't like no raccoons. But we are walking towards the beach. We want y'all to see what we see. So hold on to your horses. We on our way. He's gonna get in the hammock. Y'all see him? Why don't we go to the hammocks that's in the water? He got in the hammock, y'all. I'm finna let y'all see this shit. He can't get in, look. He's struggling.
Oh yeah. I think I need a large hammock.
He's struggling. But anyway, I'm not getting in the hammock because I don't like hammocks.
You want to get in? What are those things? Bring that right there.
But anyway, we are on Passion Island. We chilling, y'all. It's beautiful out here. Look at the water. Y'all see that water? It's pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Hold this. Oh.
I'm on the side of the table. You can swing up there.
it's wet. I'm sitting wet. Look like they go Wi-Fi tent right there. See that blue?
Yeah, we can say Wi-Fi.
Huh?
They didn't even say Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
They can make some posts.
But anyway, I'm gonna sit right here and tell y'all we can go, we can do kayaking, surfing, surfboarding. We can just swim if we want. We could do paddle boarding. What's the other thing with the stand up? That's paddle boarding, right? Yeah. So we haven't decided what we're gonna do yet. We are just enjoying the beautiful weather and enjoying how peaceful it is and how pretty, man. And of course getting a litty. But we didn't get the internet package this time with Carnival, so therefore we cannot post anything while we're on the boat. So Faye is trying to get some posts in and some things in before we can post no more until the next time. So, never know, I might grab and get it for the last 2 days of cruise. Never know. But anyway, having fun. Juices. Y'all, I'm just walking on the beach. They sitting in the hammock back there, but I'm walking on the beach, so I'm getting rushed with water, waves. Ah! But yep, I'm just walking just to feel the water and the sand. At the water. Water is so pretty. Y'all, they got hammocks out. I need to get down there. They got hammocks out in the middle of the ocean so you can lay in the hammock in the water. It's a swing set as well for the kids to swing. It's crazy. But it's so pretty. Look how pretty. Look how pretty. Take me personally, I am not scared to walk in the water. They scared, he thinking sharks out here. The man said he want no sharks on this side. So, but look. Wind blowing. It's just peaceful and beautiful. But this is what I was talking about. Hammocks. Y'all see that? Hammocks and swings. But yeah. I am having fun. They got some Wi-Fi, so he want to post and all of that, but I don't really care about none of that because I'm enjoying myself and enjoying vacation and relaxing. So I let him do what he enjoyed doing, which is posting, and I'm gonna enjoy what I do, which is walking and exploring the island and seeing the waves, walking through the water. Yeah, beautiful. Y'all gotta experience it if you've never done it. Gotta do it.
Bay.
I am in the hammock. Yep, I came up here quickly and got in the hammock. Y'all, look at my man hammock. Say hey to the people. We're in the hammock. I came in late in one just for a brief second, just to get a little sun. Yep.
The taste to produce tequila, sugar. So what kind of sugar is this? We call nectar agave, agave syrup, or honey agave. It's 100% pure and natural. See, because you wait all this time. Okay? That's the difference with the other.
I look so fly. I know. Y'all, look how pretty this is. It's so peaceful. I've been in this water. I'm soaking wet. I've been in the water. Y'all just don't know. It's crazy. Look y'all. Sandy feet. It's been so much fun. It's been a blast. When I say the unlimited food and drinks, then we just did the tequila tasting. We just finished the tequila tasting and it was bomb diggity. Just so you know, they didn't follow instructions when the man told us how to taste it, be able to taste the tequila. He did not follow instructions. For best results, follow instructions, and he did not. So he was like blah, blah, ah, ah, ah. And it was not even bad. We tasted a Blanco tequila, authentic with the worm in the bottom, and a Reposado, and both were good to me. Bay liked the Blanco and he did not like the Reposado. He said the Reposado was too strong. It was brown tequila, but it was good. But they did tell us this: Jose, all them other brands, Jose and Patron, all them, they are not authentic tequilas. They're called something else, and I can't think of the word he said now. But they're made with the agave plant, but they don't let the agave plant age 6 to 8 years like they're supposed to before they make it. So it's not authentic Mexican tequila. It's commercial tequila, which is called something. I'll look up the word and I'll let y'all know. But if the blue agave plant, and also the commercial brands are made with green agave, which does not produce tequila. Only the blue agave produces tequila. So if it's made with blue agave, it's tequila. And then they let the blue agave plant age 6 to 8 years, and then they cook it before they ferment it. So learned some things. I'm a bartender too, so that helped out. You know, some of the things that he was saying I already knew. But yeah, it was fun. And then now we're here at the water. I've been in the water. They ain't been in the water. Here he come now, look. Here he come. He going there. Why he taking his shoes? Why he don't take his shoes off? Take them off right here, baby. Baby. I took all my stuff off because I didn't want it to get wet. But anyway, we ain't got much longer on this island. 12:45, less than an hour before we have to walk up there. But
It's not that cold.
not as cold. But yep, me and my man.
Oh, I changed my mind. It's cold.
Me and my man walking on the beach. My man said he finna go get on the swing. I'm finna let y'all see him get on the swing. Go, babe. Go. You can make it. Go. Go. You tall. Go. Go. Keep going. Keep going. Oh no. You want to go out to the hammock? Look at my man, y'all. He finna get on the swing. Jump. 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 Oh my God. Wow. Wow. Y'all look at him. He cannot get on there. He can't get on there. He said it's too high. He coming back. Look. Look. Get up there. Jump. Ah. No. How I'm going to pick you up? That one lower than the other one. The one you on now? Jump. 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 Man, just come on back. Just give it up. Just give it up, man. Just give it up. Just give it up, man. Just give it up. Just give it up. Come on back. Step on something hard. That's what I was saying. Whew. That's what I was saying. This sand is a little hard. It got a lot of hard stuff on it. Look at my man coming out the water. Y'all see my man coming out the water. This sand ain't like Half Moon K sand. This sand hard. I just stepped on something so hard. That's why I came out. I just stepped on something so hard and it hurt the bottom of my foot. I already done broke my damn toe on vacation and I've been just keep constantly going without stopping because I ain't got no medical attention. So I already believe one of my toes is broken. And then I just stepped on something hard as hell, so I came out. But look, y'all see him? That's him. That's him. Yep. But yeah, we having a blast though. I'm glad we could take y'all with us on this trip, on this journey. We excited to share it with y'all. But just so y'all know, if you come to Passion Island, it's not soft. So bring some swim shoes. Cause the sand is horrible. Like, let me just show sand. Y'all see all that? that shit, it hurts when you step on it.
Yeah.
That shit hurts. It's like really rough. And sand not supposed to be. So make sure you bring some swim shoes or something to keep on your feet.
Yeah.
Whatever. Anyway.
Oh yeah, be sure to like down in the video. Let us know what you want to see next. Tomorrow we're gonna be off to
Progreso, Yucatan. That's where we're gonna be tomorrow. So, and then tomorrow is also my man's birthday, Big Zay, Big 40, Big 40. So he'll be y'all celebrate with us. You know, keep liking, commenting, subscribing.
leave a happy birthday down in the comments.
Yes, make sure you say happy birthday to my man in the comments. Yes. All right. Peace.
Here we go. No life jacket.
We got no life jackets, no seat belts in this one. We just on here. So,
We got music.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon, everybody.
All right.
How's everybody doing today?
Good.
Have some fun?
no. Sure.
Good, because let me tell you, right now right on the corner, it's very wavy. So we're gonna be going a little faster, so be careful with your hats or sunglasses. I recommend you to take them off and hold it. Sunglasses, it's up to you, familia. We're gonna be jumping in. Might get some water, but not much. But anyway, my name is Jimmy, and my co-worker is Jose.
Jose.
Okay.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Jimmy, how's that? Who's the captain?
Jimmy.
We trust you, brother.
Do we?
Here we go.
Oh no, I like this. It's the party boat.
Got music.
I'm already scared.
Because if you
They got the radio up so loud so when we fall out and scream.
Right. They won't hear us.
We'll be eaten by something.
We're leaving. Bye, Passion Island.
That's a diesel, baby. It's a roll.
Fun.
this boat is rolling. This boat is rolling.
Oh, wow.
I know. Day 3, Carnival cruise. Looks like we got an elephant. Check it out, babe. We got an elephant. Hey, did you have fun?
I had a blast, y'all. Oh, my God.
Yes. Let's see what all we got. We got a couple souvenirs we picked up.
Yeah, we did. We took some pictures.
Okay, let's see what all we got.
So,
We got a couple picture frames. Nice picture frames.
very nice picture frames. That one is amazing.
Whoa, from Passion Island.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I love it.
That's
I love
one of
it.
the souvenirs.
That is nice. That's really
actually
nice.
one we're keeping ourselves. This
Yeah.
is one we got for
Mommy dearest.
Mom.
Mom Deuce.
If I can get the back out.
Okay.
That's one for Mom.
Nice.
We're going to get a copy of our picture made and put it in this frame for her.
Oh, is that a card for me?
It is. It says your name.
It says,
Check your Carnival Hub app.
that's
Inbox.
a surprise,
There's a
just
surprise
for you.
just for you.
Okay, you won't have to tell me twice. Don't have to tell me
It's for
twice.
his birthday. Then
Got some shot glasses.
we got a shot glass. We only got one shot glass because only one person requested a shot glass.
Okay,
so
okay,
we got
okay.
it for her. Boom, boom.
Okay.
Ray light, that's for you.
Woo!
We love you, girl. And then we got keychains for everybody else.
Nice.
Yeah, so we found some really good stuff. Put that back in there.